y'all. Interesting. That car, Hyundai, hit the police car that's driving off. And why it takes two of them to be on there? And he didn't even realize he hit the police car. He's looking down, dumbfounded. So, I don't see where he hit. Well, I guess, supposedly, I don't know. But that Hyundai over there hit the Atlanta police car. And then he's saying, you didn't see me behind you? And, he acting all dumbfounded like, what? What happened? What did I do? So I guess he must have hit him somewhere. And then they drove up into this parking lot where the Target is where I'm at. Dang, I think I do see a little something over here. Let me see. I don't know. Can't tell. He probably just tapped that police car. He ain't hit nobody. Oh, oh. Oh well. It didn't look like he could. What can he do? What are you gonna have to do in this situation? He said he hit the police car and pulled him over in this parking lot. So, okay, why he going in his car? I don't understand it. Why the police officer went into his car, and now he's gonna You see, people still, people are so dumb in this damn parking lot. Okay, so the police officer went into the man's car. He's backing it up, and I assume. Let me see what they're gonna be doing. So anyway, so the police officer got in the man's car, pulled it out the way, and then he's going back to his car. But I ain't gonna stay here too long because I don't want nobody to say nothing. But there ain't no problem with me standing out here filming. People just be doing too much. Too much. Look at that dog got a sweater on. Oh well. This is what goes on in Atlanta, I guess. Never seen such thing before. All right, well, let me go. Ain't much to see.